One of my favorite plants to do vertical in a trellising method during the summer months is actually the loofah sponge. So loofah sponge, you can grow them, they grow amazing here. And when they're small, like under 6 inches long, you can actually harvest them and eat them. And they taste like something somewhere between an eggplant and a zucchini. And there's a lot of Asian and Indian dishes that use the loofah as a main ingredient in a lot of recipes. And so it's kind of a fun plant to grow, and you can eat yourself. But then as soon as it starts growing past about that 6-inch mark, 8-inch mark, then they start getting woody inside, and you can grow these chocolate colored gourds, basically, that when you peel all the skin off, you've got a sponge, a literally nice exfoliating sponge that you can use at home in your,
So you harvest it before it's 6 to 8 inches and you eat it.
You can eat it.
Past
totally.
that, you grow it out and you create a sponge.
You create a sponge. It's one of the most naturally occurring growing sponges that you could ever have. I mean, they'll sell them to you. They'll slice them up and then they sell them to you. They'll even infuse soap in them, and it's an exfoliating sponge that you can buy. A lot of people look at them and they'll get them from the store and they say, "Oh, this is a sea sponge." It's like, no. Those exfoliating ones, that grew off a plant. That wasn't a sponge in the ocean. That was a plant that grew. And those are the ones that are a little harder, they're a little rougher, kind of got a little, like a coarseness to them, but it's all natural. And you can grow them at home yourself. It's a really cool thing to grow, and you can have all the sponges you ever needed.